In this section, we're going to take a look at the settings you can change in the cart page. As you can see, I have one item in my shopping cart up here. And to get to the cart page, go to the top menu and select cart. Just as other sections, the header and footer are listed here, but that is the same header and footer throughout the entire site. So once you have those set up the way you want them, I recommend leaving them alone. So click the cart page to change the settings on the cart page. And the only two settings that you can update is to enable automatic cart updates, which updates the cart as soon as the customer changes are made. So to demonstrate that, if I change the quantity to 1 here, it automatically updated my total and my subtotal to reflect that I'm now purchasing 2 of the item. If I disable that and I make a change, I have to click update to update my cart. Small change, so really depends on what your preference is. And enable cart notes will add this box to the bottom of the cart. This is for customers to write a note to you. So if you have items with customization or a gift card option where you put a little gift note in with the order, if you offer that to your customers, you might want something like this for them to tell you what to write on the note. So it really just depends on your product, whether or not that's relevant and whether you want that setting on or not. And that's your cart page.